Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a beautiful 2016 Chaparral 227 SSX. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. You'll see it's got the blue hull side color. Comes with this trailer that it's sitting on. Boat's in great shape, guys. Loaded out with options. Looking at the bow, you'll see that it does have the docking lights. It does have your flip nav light on the bow. Also has a boarding ladder for boarding up on the bow as well. Again, beautiful boat, comes with this trailer. Great shape. Primarily used on Lake Hartwell in upstate South Carolina. Plenty of room, nice big molded swim platform. You do have second remote controls here on your transom as well. Pop-up cleats. This has the Volvo Penta, strong, reliable power with a stainless dual counter-rotating prop. Bear with me while I board the boat. Has plenty of room on board. You'll see that these do flip up on the transom for walkthroughs, so you don't step on your cushions. They also prop up so you can lay out. Does on both the port and starboard side. Plenty of room here in the cockpit, guys. Nice L-shaped wraparound bench seating. You'll see that there's a table here in the cockpit that stows nicely in the back. It also mounts up in the front of the bow as well. This is a nice reversible seat, so that your passenger can also face forwards looking at what you're taking a look at as well. Guys, plenty of room on board. Boat's in nice condition. Right at 117.8 hours. Freshwater boat. All the upholstery and cushions in great shape. Nice bolster seat. Plenty of in-the-floor storage. You'll see it does have an air dam door. Plenty of storage in here, guys. You'll see that you'll have your amps, your wet sound amps, 2 of them. Boat has a Sirius stereo system, subwoofer, 4 speakers surrounded throughout the cockpit, and then of course your tower speakers as well. Again, the bow's got the filler seat in. Plenty of room. Table also mounts up here as well, guys. Plenty of cup holders throughout the boat for your beverages. For more information, please reach out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or call me on my direct line, 864-350-0145. Thank you so much and have a great day.